Hey, good afternoon, you two. My wife's not here, so I'm in the kitchen again, and wanted to share with you how I took a $15.35 power supply from AliExpress, and I'm going to use it to charge 25 amp hour lithium batteries in my battery pack. I'll ultimately assemble this parts here into the pack, but for now, for demonstration purposes, I want to show you the power supply. A couple things to note: this is a power supply. It is not a battery charger, and emphatically do not hook this up to lithium batteries without going through the BMS. The BMS will manage the charge in this case. So this is simply a power supply. It is a 10 amp power supply, and it limits itself to about 12.2 amps, as I've demonstrated when I try to charge up my 280 amp hour battery pack. But this battery pack here will normally draw about 7 to 8 amps when it's charging, and so this should be fine for that application. So in any case, I'm going to cut this off here and come back and show you how it's charging the batteries. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit of the details here. So I've taken this 15 volt power supply and it's hooked up. This is a power cord right here and a power switch. And when I turn this thing on here, the light comes on. You also see on the battery pack here, it's reading the output of that power supply. I've not turned the switch on, so it's not started charging. But you'll notice a couple things about this. First of all, the power, this is the AC power in with the switched hot, the neutral, and the ground. And these are my DC outputs here. This little potentiometer right down there, the orange thing right below the green LED, is the output adjustment. You'll hook up a voltmeter like this to it and adjust that output for 14.6 volts. The other thing to note is this thing has a sticker on it. You can see it's upside down here, but the way I've got the camera. But that there tells you there's a switch in there, and if you're going to run this with 110 volts AC or 240, you need to pay specific attention to the position of that switch. When I got the thing, it was defaulted in 240. If I had not read that and I had turned it on, I would have probably ruined the power supply. The other thing I want to point out here, we're dealing with 110 volts AC here. You can hurt yourself or kill yourself with it. I don't recommend doing this if you have no idea what you're doing, but if you're familiar with that kind of voltage and the safety requirements and such, it's probably a project you would want to you could try. What I'm going to do here, you've probably seen this before if you watched the video of the build of this. It's showing the actual power supply output of the power supply right there, the way this is set up, so when you plug that in. But when I turn this thing on, it's going to switch the power supply over to the battery here, which is going to draw down that voltage from the battery, and you'll start seeing here that's showing a minus 4.83, which tells me I'm drawing 4.8 amps into the battery. This thing, when it's charging, it shows negative. When it's discharging, it's showing a positive amperage coming out. It's a little backwards in my mind, but it does the job. So right now I'm at 91%. I'm not going to draw this all down. I know it'll draw about 7 or 8 amps when it's drawn down. But you can see it charging, so this thing will charge all the way up. The other thing to note is that you do not want to hook this up to a lithium battery that's not going through a BMS. This is not a battery charger. It will not shut off when it's done. But when you're charging a lithium battery with the BMS handles it. You're just supplying it with the 14.6 volts. It's managing the batteries. It will shut off the current to the batteries when the batteries are full. So that's something you got to remember. Do not do this. Do not put this on a lithium battery without a BMS. This is not a battery charger. It is a power supply that simply provides 14.6 volts. It was 15 volts. I adjusted down to 14.6. And a 10 amp power supply. There's nothing else this thing does. It regulates that output, but it will continue to supply it, and you'll ruin your lithium batteries if you do not have the it on a BMS. So just be forewarned. You want to limit this thing to 14.6 volts, and you want to make sure you're charging through a BMS, which will ensure your batteries are balanced and charging will shut off when they're done. Okay, so this is pretty much what it looks like. It will fit down in the front of this case. I've already checked it out. I'll put that in later. But so this is it. So about $15.50 you can take and make yourself a do-it-yourself battery charger for a low-capacity lithium battery pack that has the BMS. So there you have it, a do-it-yourself 14.6 volt 10 amp lithium battery pack charger through the BMS, as I noted. So it's a very simple project you can do for about $15.50 without the power cord, or $30 with the power cord. But it's a low-cost solution to charging up this battery pack. So I do intend to mount this thing inside this here battery pack and put the receptacle there, and then it'll just be I can charge it with AC or DC. Yeah, it can go either way. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching, taking the time to see this. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. And if you liked it, like and subscribe.